In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello username. Your Trello username is part of your public identity on the platform. It appears in your profile link and can be visible to collaborators on your boards, so it's worth choosing something that represents you or your team well. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to update it, and I'll mention a few tips to avoid common issues along the way. First, make sure you're signed into your Trello account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, go to any Trello board you can access. It doesn't have to be a specific one. Any board will do. You can open one from your recent boards, your workspace, or even create a new board if you don't already have one. The important thing is to be on a board page, because that's where the profile menu is easy to find. Once your board is open, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a photo, or a simple avatar, depending on how you've set it up. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. If you're managing multiple accounts or browsers, just double check that this is the correct account where you want to change the username. From the menu that appears, select the option called Profile and Visibility. This will take you to your main profile page where you can see details like your full name, bio, and username. This section also controls how much of your profile is visible to others, so it's a good place to review your settings from time to time. On the profile page, find the field labeled Username. Click directly into that field, delete your existing username, and type in the new one you'd like to use. Try to pick something simple, easy to remember, and professional if you're using Trello for work. Keep in mind that usernames on Trello need to be unique, so if the one you choose is already taken, Trello will prompt you to try another variation. After you've entered your new username, look for the Save button near the field. Click Save to apply your changes. Give it a moment, then check that your profile link or username display has updated. Once it's saved, your new Trello username is active and ready to use.